let's do it this way. So, but this is gonna be story time part 19. Like I said this earlier about Karen Beck, who was trying to, let's see, was trying to, uh yell at Alan Lee for, doing things that he has not done this. And it happens at the bathroom too, which Miss Christine Chow was yelling at Alan Lee for and making lies. And let's see. What we still think. I do not remember yet. But it's because she was Miss Beck was extremely furious to Alan Lee, my friend, when we talk about the Islanders, and which is coming up by tomorrow, and then on Saturday, October 12th. And literally she was calling she was very furious, and she was saying, "What did you say?" And she was very disappointed in Alan Lee, and she was instantly gonna calling their parents or something like this. Like that one. So yeah. And then I'm gonna say this. Miss Beck, that's just sad what you did. And I think that we're gonna have a talk here. And high school people who's watching this, yes, I'm basically starting at the basement right now because unfortunately, it's because of what we did, which is my friend, by the way. When we get onto the bus, I'm totally am. That's just sad, Miss Beck. You need to grow up, and you need to stop calling out these parents, because that is just sad. This is just wrong, y'all. And yeah, that is just wrong. And out of all things, Miss Beck, Karen Beck was really pissed off at Alan Lee for this. I don't know why. Why is it like, in the freaking future? But it's just, this is just absolutely garbage and wrong. And I think this needs to be brought up and get help. And and yeah, I get that Ali can be very, very annoyed at sometimes, but why? When I see people like Eric, and yeah, like this out of ordinary, he was eavesdropping their conversation. I mean, I get that he can be very, very annoying at sometimes, but that makes no sense. That makes no sense that Miss Beck was trying to call Alan Lee's parents, even they don't know they speak Chinese, and you cannot talk about their and you cannot talk about racism. But please, this needs to stop. Think about the God who give praise for you. From just use senses, out of something, but that's just sad. Just use the brain that the God has been given you for the past couple of days. You can't be very, very mad or anything. This is just pathetic. Just go ahead and apologize to Alan Lee. And yeah. So I don't want to be very extremely be mad or rude to you or anything, but please, this needs to put an end-to-end stop. Yeah, I decided to do that because of the stop camera recording, but yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and this is Storytime Part 19, but who knows? Yeah. And I decided not to do the premiere because yesterday I did some of them, but yeah. But yeah, that's just wrong. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. Make sure you stay notified every time I post a video of this, and yeah. That being said, have a great day, and that's it. Alright, how to get this dude. That's it. Bye.